but let me show you. Big rainbow, find your grip, both arms are straight. Do not whip yourself into this, you're gonna be sorry. Lean very slow, very slow, very slow. Control, control. Good, bring the leg up. Hold it. For this exit, I'm gonna go back exactly the way I went in. So I'm gonna release that leg, look for the floor, set my foot down, and stand back up. I'm smiling over here because I know what it's gonna look like the first time you try it, but you can do it. You can do it. All right, let's go to the other side. Find your grip, big rainbow. Both arms are straight, leaning forward, control, control, control. Bring the second leg on top. Both arms are straight. And now I'm gonna stand back up by releasing the bottom leg, pulling on the top arm to find the floor. Good, and stand back up.